How to change the font size of your Galaxy Watch 8 as well as make your font or text in the bold format. If you're new to Samsung watches, you want to go ahead and use the quick access and tap on the settings toggle right there. This one here, as soon as it works. Okay, there you go. So once you're here now, you want to go down and look for display, this option here. As you enter into the display settings, go down the list, past all of this here, and you're going to see font. All right, so you got the font style as the first option. The bold one would be this here. So when you turn it off, you'll notice how your text will be like this here, and when you turn it on, it's going to become bold. The size itself would be this right here. And because of the Watch 8, this is the 40 millimeter one, not the 44 one here. It's going to be quite small, but this is as big as it gets. And of course, once you do that adjustment, you can just swipe back like this here to return back to the menu here. And that's basically it. There is no other size settings in the display area. Like